Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most advanced fighter jet factories in the world to uncover how the iconic F-16 Fighting Falcon is built. From raw materials to a fully operational supersonic machine, every inch of this aircraft is the result of cutting-edge engineering, precision craftsmanship, and decades of combat-tested experience. Let's dive deep into the making of the F-16, exploring its exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and what makes it one of the most successful fighter jets in history. Starting with the exterior, the F-16 has a design that immediately signals its purpose, speed, agility, and lethality. The sleek, aerodynamic fuselage is built for supersonic flight, capable of cutting through the sky with minimal drag. Its nose slopes into a bubble canopy, offering exceptional pilot visibility, a critical advantage in dogfighting scenarios. The wings are cropped and compact, optimized for both high-speed performance and tight maneuvers. Most of the external structure is made from lightweight aluminum alloys and advanced composites, ensuring a strong frame without unnecessary weight. Each panel is carefully aligned using robotic assembly systems and skilled technicians, ensuring the outer surface remains smooth and efficient for airflow. The jet's single-engine configuration is housed in a tight, cylindrical rear fuselage, with the General Electric F-110 or Pratt & Whitney F-100 engine tucked inside. This engine intake is located under the fuselage, a distinctive trait of the F-16, feeding air directly to the jet engine with minimal turbulence. Mounted beneath the wings and fuselage are hardpoints for weapons, drop tanks, and electronic pods, allowing for a wide variety of mission profiles. From air-to-air missiles to precision bombs, the F-16 can be equipped for virtually any combat scenario. The exterior is painted with radar-absorbing materials and camouflaged coatings, reducing its radar signature and blending it into different operational environments. Now moving to the interior, the cockpit of the F-16 is compact but highly advanced. Designed around the pilot, it features a glass cockpit setup with digital displays, multifunction screens, and a heads-up display (HUD) that projects essential flight data onto the windshield. The seat is reclined at a 30-degree angle, a unique feature that helps pilots withstand higher G-forces during maneuvers. The side stick controller, located on the right armrest, provides precise control with minimal hand movement. Overall, it's a tight yet intuitive space, built to keep the pilot informed, aware, and in full control at all times. When it comes to performance, the F-16 is a powerhouse. It can reach speeds of over Mach 2, or roughly 1,500 miles per hour, 2,400 kilometers per hour, thanks to its powerful afterburning turbofan engine. Its thrust-to-weight ratio allows it to climb at incredible rates and execute tight, high G turns. With a combat radius of about 340 miles, 550 kilometers, without refueling and a ferry range of over 2,000 miles with external tanks, it balances range and speed impressively. The F-16 also features fly-by-wire flight control, which replaces traditional mechanical controls with electronic systems. This gives pilots greater responsiveness and agility, allowing for faster reaction times and more stable flight even in turbulent or high-speed conditions. Safety features are also a critical part of the F-16's design. Its fly-by-wire system includes multiple redundancy levels, so if one system fails, others take over instantly. The ejection seat is one of the most advanced in the world, designed to launch the pilot clear of the aircraft safely, even at low altitudes and high speeds. The cockpit is reinforced to protect against bird strikes and minor battle damage. Advanced radar warning receivers and countermeasure systems alert the pilot to incoming threats and can automatically deploy flares or chaff to defend against missiles. Additionally, the aircraft includes onboard diagnostics that constantly monitor all systems in real time, alerting the pilot to any mechanical issues or threats. One of the key unique selling points of the F-16 is its versatility. It's often called a multirole fighter because it can perform a wide array of missions, from air superiority to ground attack, reconnaissance, and even electronic warfare. This makes it highly valuable not only for the U.S. Air Force but also for over 25 allied nations around the world. The aircraft has been upgraded continually over the years with modern avionics, radar systems like the AN/APG-83 AESA radar, precision targeting pods, and integration with new weapon systems. Its modular construction also allows for faster maintenance and easier upgrades, meaning operators can adapt the F-16 to evolving threats and mission profiles without replacing the entire fleet. In terms of price, the F-16 remains one of the most cost-effective fighter jets on the market. A brand new F-16 Block 70/72, the latest version, is priced around $63 million per unit, depending on configuration and customer requirements. While this may seem high, it's relatively affordable compared to fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, making it attractive for countries seeking advanced capabilities without exceeding their defense budgets. Its lower operating cost, estimated at around $7,000 to $8,000 per flight hour, further increases its value over time. In conclusion, stepping inside a fighter jet factory and watching the F-16 come to life is a look at both the future and legacy of air power. With a proven combat record, state-of-the-art technology, and the flexibility to meet a wide range of missions, the F-16 continues to be a cornerstone of global air forces even decades after its introduction. Its combination of speed, agility, affordability, and upgradability is unmatched. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or a defense analyst, there's no denying the F-16's impact on modern aerial warfare. It's not just a jet, it's a symbol of engineering excellence, operational readiness, and strategic dominance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more deep dives into the world's most powerful military machines.